The ring we go where Michael the Wasp Gardner produced a telling sting in the opening round against the hapless Canadian Jason Kelly on Wednesday night to record his fourth career knockout victory, and became the prohibitive favourite to win this season's Reign Never Contender welterweight title.
The 24-year-old Gardner was making his first appearance on local soil since defeating Answer Green on July 2, 2016 in the Contender Series. Gardner stepped into the ring in razor-sharp condition, and Patrick Anderson had the blow-by-blow action.
Nickname for Kelly, Machine Gun. Oh, Kelly goes down with a left hook. And I don't expect this fight to last too long. Let's see if Kelly can survive the first round. Looks a little chubby around the waist. Oh, straight left. Kelly goes down. Massive crowd that might only be disappointed with how quickly it has ended. A first round knockout.
This is the second first round stoppage of the 2018 Contender Series, and it came at precisely 1 minute.
I mean, it was there open for the shot. I mean, it came back wide. I just slip in a straight left, and that's where it went down.
Trainer Castor Brown, who promised at Wednesday's weighing that Gardner would end the fight in the third round, was proven wrong.
I would love him to do 3 rounds, but when I look through the whole competition, who can do 3 rounds with him? Because he don't even warm up yet. He don't even warm up. What I want the people to say about him is his combination of punches. How quick and how fast and how accurate. And he slip punches and punish you. The people didn't see anything. You haven't seen Michael yet. Michael is the best.
Kelly, who came out of retirement for this fight, is now thinking about returning from whence he came.
Right now, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this as a learning lesson. This was a lot, everything new to me. So I'm 34 years old. I've only been boxing a year and a half. Everybody else has been boxing their entire life. So I think if I do come back to boxing, I'm not gonna want to fight the top-ranked guys.
And the Wasp is sending a strong warning to his former bruising gym team.
I send a message to everybody in that competition. Richard Fragrams, look out.
Gardner's record now stands at 8 wins, 2 losses, and 4 knockouts, and he has now won 5 fights in a row. Renata Brown for TVG Sports.